On March 12, 2026, a quiet but symbolically powerful connection came back to life. A cross-border railway line linking Pyongyang to Beijing via the Chinese city of Dandong reopened, restoring a vital artery between two of Asia's most closely watched neighbors, China and North Korea. For years, this route had been largely dormant, first constrained by pandemic-era border closures, then slowed by geopolitical caution. Its reopening now signals more than just movement of goods and passengers. It marks a renewed phase in a relationship that has long balanced ideology, strategy, and necessity. Alongside the railway revival, North Korea's national carrier has also resumed broader operations. The gradual reappearance of flights, particularly those connecting to Chinese cities, underscores a cautious reopening of the country's borders and re-engagement with its most important economic partner. China Air has also recently opened flights to Pyongyang. China remains North Korea's largest trading partner and its most critical diplomatic ally, but relations between the two have not always been smooth in recent years. The big turnaround was in September of last year. North Korea's presence at China's Victory Day parade in Beijing offered a highly visible reminder of historical ties, with the presence of Kim Jong-un. The event commemorated the end of World War II, but it also served as a stage for reaffirming political solidarity. Kim Jong-un's presence, Kim Jong-un standing alongside Chinese leadership, Xi Jinping, signaling unity at a time of shifting global alliances. That message was reinforced more directly with Chinese Premier Li Qiang's visit to North Korea in October last year, one of the highest-level diplomatic engagements between the two countries in recent years. His visit emphasized economic cooperation, regional stability, and the enduring legacy of what both sides often refer to as traditional friendship. Yet beneath the symbolism lies a more complex reality. China has at times supported international sanctions on North Korea, particularly in response to nuclear weapons tests. At the same time, Beijing has consistently advocated for dialogue over isolation, positioning itself as both a partner and a moderating influence. The reopening of transport links, railways and flights alike suggests a pragmatic shift. For North Korea, it offers a lifeline to much-needed trade and resources. For China, it provides a measure of stability along its northeastern border and a chance to reassert influence in Pyongyang's strategic calculations, especially with Russia's alignment to North Korea in recent time. As trains once again roll over the Yalu River, they carry more than cargo. They carry signals of cautious reopening, renewed engagement, and a relationship that continues to evolve under the weight of history and the pressures of the present.